Yeah, so in this video we're going to see how to use Ingress using Kubernetes. Okay, let me demonstrate it. Let's try to delete the existing folders. Okay, let me freshly create one folder called test ingress, and let me open it in Visual Studio. So code dot, so it's open in Visual Studio. Let me clone my repository. Okay, what is my repo here? Let me go to my repos, your repositories, and docker 0 to 0. Let me try to clone this repository. Okay, let me open git bash here. Before that, let me try to delete all the resources. Kubectl delete all hyphen all. It's going to delete all the resources. Okay, now okay, git clone this one. I'm cloning my repository. ls cd docker, ls cd examples, ls cd python, ls cd python web app, ls. Okay, now I have deployment.yml ingress.yml require service.yml. as I have already docker file, I built that docker image and I pushed it to the docker hub. So the simple option is kubectl apply -f dot. So the moment I hit on the dot, it will apply all the three manifest files, that is deployment, ingress and service. So it's created all the three manifest, all the three components in the Kubernetes. Now kubectl get svc. This is a service created as part of this. Okay, let's try one thing. Kubectl get svc. Now let me try to export this service like minikube service python service, python service. So it will give an IP, it will open in a browser. So after this, if I give demo, it will give the application for us, our code what which we written in the Python, it will give there. But in order to test it through ingress, kubectl get ingress. This is our ingress name, so we have to access using the ingress demo. So it is not work here. We have to provide the port also. I am giving the port number. After this, something is missing. Okay, this is what the port number is. Sorry, 58205. My bad. Okay, 58205. Okay, now hit on demo. So this is how we can achieve, but in the background we have to provide this mapping from the IP to the domain name in a host file. Let me show you how it is. So if you open host in this path, Windows 632, this is how we provided here. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.